एनफील्ड स्टेडियम है, लिवरपूल का स्टेडियम है। आज आपको इसके अंदर से घुमाते हैं। ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे लोकल प्लेयर्स एंटर होते हैं स्टेडियम के अंदर। ये इसका मेन एंट्रेंस है और ये है इसकी 1892 में ये बना था। इसके बारे में लिखा इसके मेन एंट्रेंस की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, जो पार्किंग से काफी दूर है। Oh, hello gentlemen.
Hello there. Hi.
Yeah, you can tell me about the stadium a little bit.
Yeah. So this guy here,
Yeah.
Holding, he's the founder of Liverpool Football Club.
Oh.
He founded it in, if you
Yeah.
go over there,
Yeah.
1892.
1892.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
And this is a very big stadium here.
This is, I think, a 60,000 seater stadium.
60,000.
60,000 people. Yeah. Can you imagine them all cheering on Liverpool?
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice day.
Right,
ये इस ग्राउंड का नक्शा है। इसके अंदर बताया गया है सिटिंग पोजीशन और ग्राउंड के बारे में। अंदर आए हैं, ये हेडफोन ले रहे हैं और इसके अंदर सारा आपको बताया जाएगा।
Six. Man United have only got 3. You'll have to go round Old Trafford twice if you want 6. Okay. Champions of the world. And who's top of the league? Okay. Right. So the tour you're on today is going to be guided by the devices you've got around your neck. So it'll give you all the information you'll need. Some good videos on there. If you've got any additional questions, you need any help, you're not feeling well, there's tour guides throughout the stadium, so you just come and ask them. If you need the toilet, we've got toilets at every level. If you really need them, you've got Goodison Park. No, I'm joking. But we don't pick them. But there's no fire alarm due today, so if the fire alarm goes off, it is the real thing. So there's no need to panic. Okay, we'll take you in. Now, where are we all from? Where's everyone travel from? London. Okay. So brings me on to this. Hands up if you support Liverpool. Is it at Anfield?
My dad does.
Okay, right. Wait. Okay. If you support Man United, put your hands up. Wait. That was the last time you were this happy playing against Liverpool. What score did we beat us? Wait.
How much times have you won the Premier League?
Wait, are you talking about your history? Because when was the last time you won a trophy? Right, so you're saying you're the top team. Who are you playing in the Champions League this
Where's
week?
the Premier League?
Can you show me anything? The Premier League's about 3.5 weeks
What
away,
Premier
mate.
League?
Yeah. When
Premier
was your last trophy? 18 league titles. The most successful. You told us off this here talking about our history, and now what are you doing? I've been doing this all day, mate. Okay, so who supports Chelsea?
Liverpool is dead!
Okay. Any City fans?
Yeah!
Empty hands.
No, that's fine. How bad would it be, right, if Man United get your place in the Champions League next season? So we're going to make our way up to level 6. 6 is our lucky number. You know, we won our European Cup for the 6th time. Man United fans, you finished 6th last season in the league.
ये हम अंदर जा रहे हैं म्यूज़ियम के अंदर, स्टेडियम के अंदर, और यहाँ से हम ऊपर जाएंगे। अब हम इसके छठे फ्लोर पे आ चुके हैं। यहाँ से अब हम स्टेडियम के अंदर दाखिल होंगे। जॉन फांगन, ये यहाँ पे रूम एरिया है, यहाँ पे हम वेट करेंगे अपने गाइड का। गाइड आएगा तो फिर वो हमें जस्ट रूम के लेके जाएगा।
Is there any Liverpool fans amongst you? You're in for a treat. You're in for a treat anyway.
It says Liverpool is the cream of Europe and we're not even in Europe anymore.
Good man. Okay, folks, we're going to show you a video now. It wants to be part of our history. It's introduced by Jürgen Klopp. It's an excellent film. Enjoy it. You don't need the headphones for this.
Hello everybody. This is Anfield, a historic place, a special place, a sacred place.
Whenever life gets tiresome, when clouds above a door, I just simply close my eyes and slowly drift away. I think about a special place. That's when the darkness fades. That special place is Anfield, the place where dreams are made. I see the pitch, I hear the cup, I taste the atmosphere, flags, banners, songs of old, which echo down the years. Colours entwine, red and white with grass and emerald green. A beautiful vision, a sacred place, filled with hopes and dreams. So many special memories. Elation, joy, cheers, passion, glory, ecstasy, emotion, laced with tears. Tiresome, I know how to see it through. Simply think of Anfield, the place where dreams come true.
Kill the phone.
My idea was that to go Liverpool into bastion of invincibility. Napoleon had that idea, he would conquer the bloody world, you know. And that's what I wanted, that Liverpool would be untouchable until eventually everybody would have to submit, give in.
this way.
Okay, folks, headsets back on. Follow Jürgen out to the gantry now. Use your audio guides with a nice 360. You can look all down the stadium. Enjoy the rest of the...
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Morning all. Welcome to Fortress Anfield. Come see my lovely lawn worth £2 million. Not at the moment.
Wait, what's worth £2 million?
Our pitch, please.
All the pitch. That's what I was saying.
I'll hold it.
Oh, okay.
Let's see the ground.
I'll keep an eye.
I'll take it. Either way. स्टेडियम के बाहर लिवरपूल का व्यू देखें। इस टाइम हम 6th फ्लोर पे खड़े हैं और तकरीबन इधर 60,000 लोगों की कैपेसिटी है जो इधर मैच देख सकते हैं।
देखा मैंने कहा था ना 20,000 फीट पर लार्जेस्ट है या जैसे आप देख रहे हैं कि ये लिवरपूल स्टेडियम है। लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड पे अवे स्टैंड है जो क्राउड अवे दूसरी टीम का होता है। सामने जो स्टैंड है डेलगेश स्टैंड, ये सबसे पुराना स्टैंड है इस स्टेडियम का। जो नीचे वाला पोर्शन है सबसे पुराना है, जब स्टेडियम बना था तब का है। बाकी ऊपर का सारा रेनोवेट हुआ है। राइट साइड पे होम वालों का स्टैंड है, राइट साइड पे जो गोल है। प्लस ये जो पिच है ये £1 मिलियन की होती है, इसके ऊपर जाना अलाउड नहीं है। अभी जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं वो बेसिकली इसकी मेंटेनेंस कर रहे हैं। फिर वो जो लाइटें लगी हुई हैं वो बेसिकली घास को ड्राई करने की आर्टिफिशियल लाइट है, वो उससे घास ड्राई होती है तो मेंटेन रखते हैं। घास का कलर कंडीशन लाइक कॉर्नर से मिडल तक एक ही घास का स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए ताकि प्लेयर्स नीचे जिधर लोग खड़े हुए हैं वहाँ प्लेयर्स वहाँ से निकलते हैं और डग आउट है वहाँ से। अभी हम वहाँ जाएंगे। अभी हम 6th फ्लोर पे हैं तो इधर से जो ऊंचा सबसे ऊंचा ही स्टैंड है।
तो इसके बारे में वो कहा जाता है कि इसकी छत गिरी थी, तो वो कौन सा हिस्सा था इसका?
अभी तक हमें दरियाफ्त नहीं है, लेकिन हमने कुछ अपना अंदाज़ा लगाया कि दिस इज़ द साइड वे फेल। तो
नीचे फूल वगैरह पड़े थे इसके।
100 से ज़्यादा लोग इसमें
मर गए थे
और ये उनकी याद के लिए उन्होंने बाहर एक मेमोरियल स्टैंड भी बनाया हुआ है जिधर लोग आके फ्लावर्स रखते हैं।
अच्छा, मैं समझा था वो नीचे बैठने के लिए इन्होंने बेंच बनाए हुए हैं। चलो ठीक है, शुक्रिया। आगे विज़िट करते हैं फिर। ये अब हम जा रहे हैं लो लेवल की तरफ। ये है, अब हम इधर से सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतर रहे हैं। लिवरपूल का व्यू देखें इधर से। ये शॉप है, यहाँ से आप कुछ खरीद सकते हैं। ये स्टेडियम के अंदर का हिस्सा है, आपको जो दिखाया जा रहा है। ये मुख्तलिफ लैब होते हैं जहाँ से आप अंदर जाते हैं और स्टेयर्स पर बैठते हैं। ये यहाँ का वॉशरूम एरिया है। प्लेयर्स की पिक्चर लगी हुई है जो इधर खेलते रहे हैं।
Right place up. Maybe don't get any shadows.
ये ट्रॉफी है जो हमने जीती हुई है। ये वो शख्स हैं जिन्होंने इस क्लब को बनाया था। ये डायरेक्टर थे। ये उनकी याद में उन्होंने उनके स्टैचू बनाए हुए हैं। ये स्टेडियम का बिल्कुल अंदरूनी साइड। ये बोर्ड रूम है।
1984, Liverpool didn't even exist, and Everton played here.
Yeah.
And they increased the capacity from 8,000 to 12,000.
Okay.
And that was the quote out of the local evening paper, which mentioned an awful lot of ladies had come to the game. And at the end of the game, they all ran onto the pitch to celebrate Everton winning. And that's what the script is from. It's from the actual evening paper. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. This is where the teams arrive on the coach. Players will get off the coach and walk through this way. Through that way, towards the players' changing rooms.
चेंजिंग रूम एंड पिच एक्सेस इस तरफ से है जहाँ से प्लेयर अंदर जाते हैं। ये वो जगह है जहाँ पर गेम के बाद प्लेयर से इंटरव्यू लिया जाता है, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है। और इसके इधर चेयर्स लगी हैं, मीडिया के लोग बैठे होते हैं, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है। ये प्लेयर्स का इंटरव्यू एरिया है जहाँ पर प्लेयर्स से इंटरव्यू लिया जाता है। ये पीछे जिन्होंने स्पॉन्सर्स किया था पर फेमस प्लेयर्स के उन्होंने स्टैचू रखे हुए हैं। लोग आते हैं उनके साथ पिक्चर्स बनाते हैं, ऐसे इधर खड़े होकर इंटरव्यू देते हैं। Plasterboard.
This is a place for
dressing room. ये जो हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं ये स्टेडियम का अंदरूनी हिस्सा है। है ड्रेसिंग रूम, जहाँ पर प्लेयर्स अपना कपड़े वगैरह चेंज करते हैं।
लेट्स गो।
सीट्स हैं जहाँ पे वो आकर बैठते हैं और ये उनके शर्ट्स लगी हुई हैं उनकी याद में। जहाँ से प्लेयर्स बाहर जाते हैं ग्राउंड के अंदर। पिच के ऊपर जाने की इजाज़त नहीं है। ये है जी फुटबॉल का ग्राउंड। Man, what's your name?
Andy.
Andy, okay.
The lights are artificial sunlight, and they're
Okay.
to make the grass grow better in the winter time in England.
Okay.
Because obviously we don't get enough light.
Yeah.
So they, not only do they generate light, but they generate heat as well, which heats up the grass and makes it grow better.
Yeah. How
And
much
if you look
temperature
that
is
way,
it?
Can you see that little grey thing there?
Yeah.
They put that in the goal mouth, and that not only has light, but it has heat, and it also has an oxygen-rich atmosphere. And those together make the grass in the goal mouth grow even better.
And the light is living 24-hour here?
No, they put it on usually only in the daytime. Because the way photosynthesis works, it needs a period of darkness as well as a period of light for the grass to grow best. So they really just replace the daylight, but it's not on at night as well, just in the day.
And how much temperature is there?
How much?
The temperature is the normal, the sun temperature, 40 grad over?
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's a lot, yeah. And what about the ground, the grass? They are cutting in every day, or?
They cut it almost every day. I'm not here every day, but every day almost that I'm here, they're cutting it. They've been cutting it this morning.
Yeah.
They've cut it halfway up to there this morning.
Okay.
And then I think they'll probably move the lights and cut the other half.
Okay.
After lunch. The grass itself is 97% ryegrass.
Okay.
And it's got 3% of nylon woven underneath,
Okay.
which the roots grow into, and it makes it much more durable. So when I was a kid, you'd see sliding tackle and a big lump of earth had come out. You don't get that nearly so much here because it's much more durable. It's real grass, so the players like it. This part here is AstroTurf, and when they do a sliding tackle, you get a burn on your leg from the AstroTurf. And the quality, when you turn the boot like that on the grass, on AstroTurf, it's more likely to cause a cruciate ligament injury. And when we're paying Mo Salah £200,000 a week, we don't want to injure him, do we? We like him. We want him to be able to play footy, don't we?
Yeah. And what about the sitting position here? Who is sitting on that side?
Well, there's no bad seats. They're all good seats everywhere. I sit over there near to that first exit. And that's a really good seat. That's what I sit for each game. I've got a season ticket.
Which one is the special seats here?
Well, the ones up there. You see those up there?
Yeah.
They are the ones that the directors sit in, and the VIPs. That's the Melwood Lounge.
Okay.
And those seats are all big seats. They're all heated. They're where the VIPs sit.
Okay.
They're very expensive if you want to sit there, you know.
Yeah.
The likes of me can't afford that. You may be able to. You might be dead rich, but I'm not.
Thank you.
The substitute sit?
Well, the Jurgen Klopp sits there, and all his